Dad.
Hi, my dearest boys.
Are you done with the job?
Yes, my dear. I am just going home. By the way, where are you going?
We are going to the park. Look, Dad, there are some lights.
Yes, these are called traffic lights. Do you know why these lights are here?
No?
As you can see, there are 3 different colors of light. Can you tell me the name of all the colors?
Yes, Lolo taught me color's name. There is red light, yellow light, and green light.
Yes, you are right. Traffic lights are to regulate traffic on the road.
But why are there 3 colors?
Red means danger, yellow warns us, and green allows. So for the driver, red light says stop because it is dangerous to go now or to cross the road. Yellow light says get ready so that the driver can start the car and get ready to cross the road. It also means to slow down the car when you are coming from a distance towards traffic lights. Green says go.
Dad, my teacher said that there is a separate traffic light for the pedestrians.
Very good point, Lolo. Yes, your teacher says right. There is also traffic lights for pedestrians. And do you know that it has only 2 colors? Can you guess which colors that could be?
My favorite color is red and yellow. So I guess these colors could be in traffic light?
My sweetheart, only one of your favorite colors is the part of pedestrians' traffic light. It has red and green, and there is a picture of a hand on red light.
Why red light is with a picture of hand?
Because it tells the pedestrians not to cross the road. They have to wait. It means cars can go now.
And what about green light?
Green light is with the picture of a running man.
Oh, I understand. It should be shown that pedestrians can cross the road. And all cars should be stopped.
My kids are very genius. But my kids, be careful while crossing the road when the pedestrian's traffic light is green.
But why, Dad? All cars should be stopped?
This is because there are some special cars that can go on red and green lights.
How can we know about that car? Are they bad people?
No, those cars have special signals on, emergency lights, and sirens.
Like ambulance? Fire trucks have sirens too.
Yes, my kids. And don't forget about police cars. You have to give them the road, whether you are driving or just crossing the road.
Oh, I see. Now I will keep these all things in my mind. And we will share this information with our friends too.
Of course, my kids. Share it with others so they can also know about it.
Okay, we are going to the park now, Daddy.
Take care, my boys.
Bye, Daddy. We love you.